Hey guys, so today I wanted to do a quick review on this commercial chef microwave that I got. I got the 1.1 cubic feet. It is also the 1000 watts. I really like that it's not that bulky, guys. This is how it looks from the length, and then this is how it looks from the width. Now, the microwaves that I used to have, they were super bulky, and this one is not. It's super cute. It's not that small. It's not that big. It's perfect. Now, over here in the numbers, guys, you can manually put in a number, so you can do like 346 or 356. You are going to want to put like 3 minutes and then add the 30 seconds by pressing the start button, and then it moves to 330. It also has like the preset buttons over here for like potatoes, beverages, pizza, reheat, and then we have these buttons over here for like clock, timer, things like that. It does not come with the handle. You have to press the button here to open it. So whenever you open it, it does light up in the inside, and this is how big it is from the inside. So I really like it. Let me take out the tray so you can see how big the tray is. So this is how big the tray is. It also heats up the food super fast, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my eggs and my bacon in so you can see how fast it works. So we're just gonna put them in like this. We're gonna do 30 seconds, and that's gonna be enough. All right, so 10 seconds up. And as you can see, guys, it's already heated up. So I really love this microwave, guys. It heats up my food super fast. It's cute. It's not that big, not that small. And I would definitely recommend it.